Hey guys, welcome back to Tekneikos. And did you know that Apple runs an exclusive back to school program in India every year? It's fantastic opportunity for students, parents or educators to save big on Apple products. If you are planning to buy a new MacBook or iPad, this is the perfect time. From June 17th to September 30, Apple is offering special discounts and free accessories like AirPods or Apple Pencil with eligible Mac and iPad purchases. These deals are available through Apple's official education store. I will walk you through the complete process. Don't worry about that. To access these offers, you will need to verify your status through UNI Days or Unidays account. I will also show you how to do that. So this platform confirms you are eligible as a student or educator. Once verified, you can purchase one Mac or one iPad per year under this program. Compared to major sales events like Flipkart's Big Billion Days or Amazon's Great Indian Festival, Apple's back to school offer provides better value, especially with the added accessories. I believe that's my point of view. You may have a different one, but let's see. I will walk you through the complete process how you can do that. First of all, just open you any browser, search Apple student and open the first link. So you can see first we will check Mac, then we will go to iPad. Okay, so the current MacBook is MacBook with M4 processor. Let's take a look at MacBook Air, which I believe is more than powerful enough for any student or working professionals. So let's buy. And you can see it's 89,900 rupees only for 16 GB RAM and 256 GB SSD. And if you simply go to MacBook Air M4, okay, and the official price without the student discount is 1 lakh, almost 99,900, but with student discount it's 89,900. So what you can do, if you are interested, just go and select. Now the main part that I want to show you, once you select your requirements, just click on continue. This is what the student benefits are. Okay, you will get one Apple AirPods 4 with active noise cancellation for free, 17,900. You don't have to pay this. The amount shown next to the selected product will be deducted from your bag except for AirPods Pro 2. Okay, if you select this one, you have to pay, where 17,900 will be deducted. Okay, apart from the AirPods Pro 2, which is this one, if you can select Magic Mouse or Magic Trackpad or Magic Keyboard with Touch ID, anything you select will be free of cost apart from the AirPods Pro 2. So you can save a lot of money. If you ask me, I would probably select the AirPods 4 with active noise cancellation. So if you add to the bag, and then you can see here, let's go. Okay, let's select one. Yeah, you can see it's okay. I selected two. Okay, let me select one. Yeah, it's 89,900 only. Only you need to pay the bill of MacBook Air M4. So this is the benefit I was talking about. You have different options as well. If you go for 512 GB SSD, it's up to you, or you can get one external SSD. That's also a good solution if you don't want to pay extra amount, extra 20,000. So this was the MacBook Air M4 chip. Okay, now the process, let me show you. Just search Unidays, open the first link, create one account here. Okay, it's Unidays ID. Make your account and give access to the Apple student program, and it will automatically work, so you don't have to do a lot of things. So it's a very easy process. Just put your email address and continue. You will create one account and just connect with your student ID. Now it's up to you what MacBook you prefer, whether it's 15-inch or 13-inch. And if your budget is low, I would suggest you to go with the M2 version, because M3, I was checking the price, it is 89,990, but you can get the M4 version with the same price, and I believe M2 is also way cheaper than this price. I was checking in this price history, so the lowest price was 63,990. If your budget is like this much, you can wait for Big Billion Days and you will probably get MacBook Air M2 around this price. Otherwise, if you are interested for student plan, you can go for it. It's really beneficial. Now let's talk about the iPad. So for iPad, let's go here. So we have 4 iPads: mini, iPad Air and Pro. So in all of the iPads you will get, let me just go here and choose any model. Okay, let me just continue. So for iPad you are getting one Apple Pencil. For Apple Pencil Pro and Apple AirPods 4, the amount shown next to the selected product will be deducted from your bag. For all other products, this much will be deducted. Okay, so you can see, so you will be getting these 2 items for free if you select, and for the rest some amount will be deducted from the actual MRP. So if I select AirPods 4 and add to bag, just review bag, I need to remove these things first, otherwise it won't work. Now you can see the amount is 54,900 for iPad and it's 54,900. So we are getting AirPods 4 for free. So based on the model you select, these benefits might differ. You can check according to your requirements and get one Apple Pencil or AirPods 4. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe to Tekneikos for more awesome videos. See you in next one.